All of the Infermedica products are based on a common foundation, a vast database of structured medical knowledge. After more than 80,000 hours of medical review, it covers thousands of medical concepts, their relationship and test cases. As our database expanded, so did our tools to manage it. What started as a humble spreadsheet has evolved into a full-featured authoring platform called Metabase that is used daily by our medical, data science and translation teams.
On the front end, we use Vue 3, Vite, Vitess, Cypress, and we want to gradually migrate our JavaScript codebase to TypeScript. We build and share our UX designs on Figma based on our own design system. On the backend, we use Python, Django REST framework, PostgreSQL, Docker, and Redis. All of this is deployed through GitLab pipelines and Jenkins to a hybrid infrastructure in OVH and Google Cloud Platform. The Metabase team is a self-managed cross-functional team of 12 people working in an agile methodology based on a widely known Scrum framework. The team consists of 6 software developers supported by the lead architect, 2 QA engineers, a product manager, a UX designer, and an engineering manager overseeing the process.